Today, I am reviewing the ONERugged Industrial Panel PC B10A. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to hardware designed for the front lines of industry, the conversation is usually about compromise. You either get the power you need but in a fragile chassis, or you get something built like a tank that is painfully slow to use. However, after integrating the ONERugged B10A industrial panel PC into a high-demand environment, it is clear that this machine was designed to bridge that gap. This is not just another compact computer tucked into a sturdy case. It is a meticulously engineered tool that solves the specific, gritty problems that come with industrial and commercial deployments. The first thing you notice when handling this unit is the physical integrity. It utilizes a high-strength aluminum back cover that serves a dual purpose. It feels incredibly solid, offering the kind of anti-vibration and dust-proof qualities you need when a machine is mounted near heavy machinery or in a high-traffic workshop. But more importantly, that aluminum serves as a massive heat sink. Because this is a fanless design, there are no moving parts to fail and no vents to suck in dust, oil, or debris from a factory floor. In my testing, even under sustained loads, the heat dissipation remained remarkably efficient. It operates in total silence, which is a massive plus for commercial environments like high-end catering or retail, where you want the tech to be invisible and quiet. Under the hood, the performance is where the B10A truly pulls away from the competition. Most industrial panels settle for lower-tier Atom or Celeron processors to keep heat down. ONERugged opted for the Intel i5-1235U, a 10-core processor that brings modern architecture to the industrial space. Having 16 gigabytes of RAM paired with this chip means that multitasking is actually possible. Whether you are running complex equipment control systems, managing a massive network monitoring suite, or using it as a high-end digital signage controller playing 4K Ultra HD video via the HDMI port, the system never stutters. The jump to a 128GB SSD ensures that Windows 11 Pro boots instantly and applications remain snappy, which is critical when every second of downtime costs money. The interface selection is perhaps the most practical aspect of the design. In the industrial world, we still rely heavily on legacy hardware, and the inclusion of two RS-232 ports is a lifesaver. It allows for direct connection to sensors, PLC controllers, or older diagnostic tools without needing unreliable USB adapters. Speaking of USB, having 4 USB 3.0 ports provides plenty of high-speed bandwidth for modern peripherals. The dual gigabit Ethernet ports are another standout feature, allowing you to isolate your machine control network from your internal office network, a standard security practice that many smaller PCs ignore. Reliability is the ultimate metric for a device like this, and the B10A is built for the long haul. It is rated for 7-day, 24-hour uninterrupted operation. In a world where standard consumer PCs might crash or throttle after a few days of continuous use, this panel PC remains stable and productive. It handles high and low temperature fluctuations with ease, making it suitable for everything from a hot industrial kitchen to a cold storage facility. In summary, the ONERugged B10A is a professional-grade solution for those who cannot afford for their technology to fail. It combines the sleekness of a modern all-in-one with the ruggedized DNA required for intelligent manufacturing and security management. It is a powerful, silent, and incredibly versatile machine that justifies its place in any serious commercial or industrial setup. If you need a device that stays productive while being subjected to vibrations, dust, and constant use, this is the hardware you have been looking for. It is a reliable workhorse that finally brings modern computing power to the most demanding environments.